Yeah.
Where's the braids? I thought you were gonna rock the braids. No? Not your look?
No.
And where are you from again?
I'm from Norman, Oklahoma.
Norman, Oklahoma in the house? Texas, are you in the house? Kansas? Arkansas? I know we have a bunch of people from Arkansas. So Maddie, and tell everyone about who you love to sing in your spare time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now you're a pro at this, so take it away.
Whoa! Is this the first night they've done this? I'm sorry? Is this the first night they've done this? Last, or not last.
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a bitch blonde tramp, and she's probably getting this. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little brain, cause she can't shoot a whistle. Right now, he's probably up behind her with a pool stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. And you don't know. But I'm turning my key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Turn my name into his letter C. I took a real look at the road headlight, flash a rolling on four tires. Maybe next time I'll wait for you. Right now, she's probably up singing some of my trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get a look. Right now, he's probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom polo. Oh, and he don't know that I turned my key into the side of his pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Turn my name into his letter C. The real flood of the road headlight, flash a rolling on four tires. Maybe next time, maybe before we I'm gonna take a little trouble from the next girl, 'cause the next time that he cheats, oh, you know it won't be on me. Oh, on me. I turned my key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Turn my name into his letter C. Took a real look at the road headlight, flash a rolling on four tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he cheats. Oh, maybe next time I'll think before he
She rocks this girl! Keep up singing. Good night! All right, it was excellent. Why